Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll down to the system section and just go here to the gestures, and you'll see the 3-finger screenshot section. Tap there and just to take a screenshots with the touch and hold your screen with your 3 fingers at the same time. Just tap here once on the switcher, and now you should just swipe with your finger. No. Okay. So only just touch and hold for a few seconds your screen with 3 fingers, and then you'll just take a screenshot. So as can you see, we just can edit the screen. We can share with the screen also by this way. For example, we can change the size of our screen and we can save that. As can you see, our photo is saved, and you can find this photo in the gallery or here in the photos application. And now just here we'll go to the library, and as can you see, we got here our screenshots folder, and you can find here all your previously taken screenshots. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.